how to make money with Clickbank. And before that, let me show you my own stats with the Clickbank account, so you can have it better. Although I do not use Clickbank regularly now, but I used it as a method in 2021, and I got some payment from Clickbank as well. And let me show you the payment first, and then move on benefits of Clickbank and how you can make money through Clickbank. So let me show you here. This is my Clickbank account, and I got $7,418.32 from Clickbank in 2021. And it used to be a very wonderful method. I do not have time nowadays. Otherwise, Clickbank is actually a very good place to make money online. And in this video, I'm going to be describing you on how you can make money online with Clickbank. So let's get started with it. And that is how, here I lost it. So, but for those who don't know, what is Clickbank? Clickbank is actually a privately held online marketplace for digital information. It aims to serve as a connection between affiliate digital content creators, also known as vendors, and affiliate marketers who then promote them to consumers. So yes, it's a very good platform, and you can promote any product or anything and make money through it. Ideally, Clickbank usually used to have affiliate books, ebooks you can say, and whenever someone buys it, you make money. But over the time, Clickbank system has evolved, and now there are different products which are being promoted on Clickbank, and people are making money through it. So what should be your focus on when you want to make money from Clickbank? You need to focus on three things: gravity of the product, is there a new product on the Clickbank, and is there what is the product price. But gravity means the demand. It's an algorithmic system Clickbank has created to determine which are their hot selling products. If a product is hot selling, you can see it by gravity. So it's worth spending traffic over there because people are interested in buying the product. The second is new product. Why I recommend focusing on new product is because new products has lesser competition. Many people do not know about it, and you can quickly promote it and earn income through it. And the third is product price. Product price is a pricing barrier which determines either you have to focus on that product or not. If the product price is good, it's easier for customer to buy, or does it worth the, if the product does worth the price it is asking for the customer, then it's worth working for it. Now the question is how to promote Clickbank and make money through it. Let me show you an example of a website which is using one of the Clickbank product. Okay, one of our product regarding teeth, Dentix Pro. It's an example for that, and here you can see it's a click here to buy now. It's an order now button, and some reviews about the product, and with claim now and bonus different CTAs it's being used with disclaimers. This is an example of a Clickbank landing page through which you can promote any product and send traffic here. You can use either one video, one product per domain, or you can have multiple products in the same domain and promote them. Ideally, I suggest promoting multiple products in the same video. This will help for users to synchronize, and if in case if they do not like one, they can buy the other one, which is why it's a very good way. Now the question is, I got a website to create, and how you can how I'm going to make money through it. I got my website created about affiliate offer, and now you can use SEO, you can use PPC to drive traffic on it, Google ads, Facebook ads, You can even use email list if you have an email list, which I do believe hardly majority of the people do not have an active email list. You can promote it on your social media sharing channels, just like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can even do video reviews. Even if you can do video reviews for this thing, let me show you some of the video reviews, and you will be surprised to know. For instance, this is a product, and if I have to see the video reviews of this, you can see that is how people are promoting this product. And even this is a latest review.
Hi guys, my name is Anna, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Talks Pro before actually buying. So Pro,
so that is how promoting the Tentix Pro, and you can see Tentix Pro official website link, and that is how they are earning money. You can post your honest reviews, video reviews about it, and she's not the only one she is promoting. There are many other people who are promoting the same thing.
सिर्फ प्राइस आई.पी के देता है डिलीवरी के बाद पार्सल खोलने की सहूलत. पहले तसल्ली करें, पैसे बाद में दें.
Okay, so we actually bought and tested the Dentitox Pro teeth spray, and then this video is not just like
so that is how you can promote and you can do SEO or PPC again to drive video traffic to your video reviews. And even if you search Facebook for this term, you will find ample of pages for this. Even if you are influencer on Instagram, you can promote it, and you can even do blog comments as well. For instance, let me show you an article on my own blog where people do actually promote different I mean, you can do it. For instance, this is one of my articles. And you can see hundreds of comments and if you post a genuine comment, author can give you an option to have a backlink to your website, and you can have a backlink to your product page and do comments on the relevant post without spamming it, and you can get good traffic from blog commenting as well. There are other ways as well, just as forum commenting as well. But I like, if you're an influencer on Instagram, that will be a wonderful way. Video reviews, I personally prefer you to do video reviews to make money through it. And the question now is, what kind of products to promote on Instagram? Just like I told you about Gravity, new products, product price. Let's say if I have to promote something, what kind of a thing I'm going to promote. I'm going to go to Marketplace. And even if I do this just general review, you can see I would rather select Gravity and see which products are on the top. Exipore has 831 Gravity. Ideally, I would rather promote it. It also has a recurring commission. It means that only the single sale isn't the only amount I'm going to get, but I'm going to get monthly recurring commission as well. Second is Icaria Juice. It's for a white hot weight loss offer with 517 Gravity score. This is also very good offer. Pro Dentim with 512 Gravity score. Gravity store above 70 or 80 is perfectly fine, and these have Gravity scores of 300, 200, so very good. Java Burn, Soulmate, Glucose Trust, these all have 200 plus Gravity score. This is a fungus dropper offer. I would say anything above 50 Gravity is actually good for you, and you can promote it. Just do a quick research on how many amount of searches are being done. For instance, if I have to find out for this, I'm also using a keyword research plugin on my, so I can just came to know about this has 1300 per month searches, and you can see there are 3-4 brands already promoting this offer, which is why I suggested you to focus on new offers and work on them. And that is how you can make money through Clickbank. Without a doubt, Clickbank is actually a very famous platform to make money online, and I personally made income through Clickbank. Now I know it's 2022 and I made money last year, but if whenever I get a time, I will use this platform again to make money online. I hope you like my video on how to make money through Clickbank, and I recommend you to in case if you want, you can also make money through Clickbank. Thank you for watching, and like my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye bye.